Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today we're going to continue our video series that's designed to educate and inform you, so please subscribe to our channel. I want to talk about the considerations, the factors that the court considers when deciding interstate custody. Now you might think, well, why would it make a difference? I live in Florida, you live in Michigan. The court still has to decide what's in the best interest of the children, correct? Yes, you're right. The factors don't really change. Right? In other words, there's 12 factors associated with determining what's in the best interest of the child. And if dad lives in Florida and mom lives in Michigan or vice versa, why would that make a difference? Well, the answer is, at first blush, it shouldn't. That is to say, the court still has to analyze those factors, but they may weigh differently as a practical matter when the court has to decide certain things, like when the court has to decide how are we working out school. If parents live in different places and they're fighting over custody, if both parties lived in Michigan, the court might decide one thing. But if the court has to choose between mom and dad, the only difference is instead of living across the street from each other, the court has to figure if I give the custody to this one, that means that the children have to be uprooted and now they're different schools, different friends, different environment. It's a different set of considerations within the standard considerations. So when the court looks at that, the court is going to have to look at, is there a new proposed environment now? How is that going to change things for the kids? The court is also going to have to look at what's that picture look like with respect to the other parent, because parenting time is now going to be impacted by that great distance. Who's going to pay for it, shuttling the kids back and forth, or shuttling the parents back and forth for that matter? How's that going to go down? So the considerations are a little bit different when you talk about crossing state lines. Now, even within that, there's a difference between somebody who lives in Monroe, another parent relocates to Toledo, and somebody who lives in Monroe and, another parent locates to Fargo, North Dakota. Huge difference. So the court's going to have to take that into account, and obviously every case is going to be very specific in that regard. If you have any questions about yours, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.